We are here at Mountain Inn, where we will be kicking off our tour that we are having for the festive season with our media people from all the media houses in the country. And we have a representative from the Eswatini Tourism Authority that will be speaking to us and explaining in detail what is it that this thing is all about. Let's hear what she has to say.
So the media tour is part of the Eswatini Tourism Authority's domestic tourism festive season campaign, which this year we have themed as hashtag My Eswatini, My Holiday. And it's basically an opportunity or a theme or campaign that encourages a Maswati to embrace the kingdom of Eswatini as a holiday destination of choice. We're saying, why look any further when Eswatini has more, when we have everything right here in our beautiful country, so many different experiences that we can all enjoy, from outdoor activities to wildlife to accommodation spaces. There's just so much. So we're saying, embrace this country, love it, enjoy it this festive season, this holiday season. And with that, we also have as we do on every year, we have a competition that we're running as part of the campaign, which we are calling hashtag My Eswatini Top 10 Holiday Challenge. And so the holiday challenge is basically, we're saying to Maswati, we all have a travel wish list, right? Okay. So we're saying, draw up your travel wish list and visit at least 3 tourist attractions in the country, and spend no less than 250 emalangeni. And when you do that, take a picture of your receipt, write your name on the receipt, take a picture of it and submit it to the official Eswatini tourism number, which is 78089000. And with that, you will stand a chance to go into a draw. And you also have to post pictures on social media, tag Eswatini Tourism, and use the hashtags hashtag My Eswatini My Holiday and hashtag My Eswatini Top 10. So this is part of what basically saying to the media, come and compile your top 10 experiences. So it's basically a way of saying, participate in this challenge. And we're showing a Maswati exactly what we mean by hashtag My Eswatini Top 10. We'll be visiting different places over the weekend. We've got a total of 8 attraction sites that we are visiting. And we've had a keen focus on the news developments that we have had over the COVID period. One of the most beautiful things to come out of COVID, even though it was a really, really challenging time, is that there were so many new establishments, from spas to restaurants, hotels, and also with the existing ones, there were so many developments. So that's why we're here at Mountain Inn, because we know that they've been doing so much over the COVID-19 period, and a lot of positive has come out of that. So we're just celebrating that, we're showing that, and we're affirming to Maswati that it is indeed safe to travel in Eswatini. All the establishments, as you know, we received a safe travel stamp, and with that, it's just to confirm that we are adhering to safety protocol. I mean, Mark Ward just alluded to that earlier. So yeah, it's a very exciting time, and we're still really emphasizing and supporting, you know, all the communication coming from the Ministry of Health regarding safety, adherence to safety protocol. So we really hope that everyone in Eswatini, the young, the old, families, friends, are going to go out and enjoy this festive season right here at Kaya Eswatini.
As a family, we took over the Mountain Inn in about 1985. My understanding of the history of the building is that in the 50s it was built as a hospital. Right. The main building that we're here now with was built as a hospital, and the owner's house was that conference room originally. Right. And then around about the 60s it was changed into a hotel. So it was known as the Highlands View Hotel, which was infamous and notorious for all the wrong reasons. And when we took it over in '85, we changed the name to Mountain Inn because of the stunning views that we have and everything else that's on the go. All right. And we, as a family, My father, who passed away in January, had the business going, and Patrick and I as brothers have taken it over in the second generation. So that's where we are at the moment. Things to do, come and enjoy the view. Have a cup of coffee, relax and enjoy. We've got a set of chess pieces down there to play. But generally we prefer just to be able to chill, relax and enjoy the environment that we're in. Stay COVID safe. There's temperature taking, sanitizing stations all over the place. We try and make the tables wide enough apart so that people are COVID safe. Our staff are all very aware of the situation, so at the end of the day, they do ask sometimes they have to ask the customers just to be aware to please create the space.
As you know, as you've heard it for yourself, we are having a media tour. We're visiting all the exciting places in the country. I'm sure you're excited as I am to see what is it that we'll be getting up to. Right now, you follow me as we take you through right where we are going. Let's go. Please tell us about the media tour that we are having. What are your expectations about it, and what do you all that you can say about it?
I'm actually excited about the media tour because as a journalist, it gives us perspective on places in the country that people can actually visit.
Right.
So when we write about them, when we report about them, even when we go to attend events, we have a more broader experience and a more wider, we have wider information on what the place is about. So I think ETA is doing a fantastic job, and yeah, I'm excited.
All right, so now we're here at Buhle Resort
Yes.
for the zipline experience. What are your
Yes.
expectations? Are you excited?
I
Are you
am.
nervous?
It's actually my first time doing
Alright.
this zip lining specifically, but I've done zip lining before. But I'm excited to just see. I'm a bit scared because it's my first time here, but like I think it's gonna be pretty exciting. So yeah, I'm excited.
All right, that's amazing. Let's see what it has to be like. We are here at Buhle Resort, and obviously it's not my first time being here, and we're here for the zipline experience together with the other media personnel from the different media houses right here in the country. I'm so excited about this one. If you hear my voice being shaky or anything, see me nervous or anything, I'm not scared of the zipline. It's just that it's cold out here. So let us see how is it that they will do as they do their zipline experience. Let's go. Yo, I'm so nervous right now that I'm up here, but I hope it's going to be exciting as it was the last time I was here.
laba lababona inyanga. Indlela yakha ngiyabonakala. Asenamba bogogo na hamba nifika la yakhona. Umalibo.
Sitawuhamba ke bonkhosi ungena ngesekudla semuti nangabe ude ekhaya lesintu. Ndawucela sehleni bonkhosi siyongena ekhaya. Luthango. Ngilona silusebenzisa thina eMaswati kwakha ngingathi yi-wall fence ngesilumbi. Kepha ngesiswati siye sikubite ukuthi luthango. Ngilokubiyela lelikhaya la emntini wethu wesiswati lesitakiwe. Lapha ke kulomuti wesiswati lesitakiwo sitawuthola iminyango yonke yalabogoqa letindlu lesithatithola la ngekhathi tibheke eningizimu. Siyati ke ukuthi njengeMaswati labadzala labaphethe live lapha kaNgwane bakaNkhosi phela bangena le endasi eshiselweni. Kungako ke leminyango lesiyibonako la kuletindlu yonke ibheke eningizimu. Lokho la sikubona lana sibona lisango. Lisango ke lidladla lemajaha alapha ekhaya njalo nabavuka ekseni lapha elaweni baye betela batocala umlilo. Bacala umlilo nje lapha khona bafuthumetele babe emanti. Kuze kuthi nakavuka umnumzana lapha ekhaya athola emanti sekafuthumele akwade ukugeza. Futhi ke lapha ngilapha batiphekela khona lamajaha ngoba phela akusiko ukuthi kusilumbi mhlambe kuthola ukuthi emajaha ayapheka. Nangesintu sethu vele emajaha ayapheka ngoba la esangweni ngilapho sithola khona kuphekwa inyama lebitwa kuthiwa yinhloko nemasondlo nebubenze nabo babenda khona la esangweni labo. Leti gaba talamajaha tize tiyofika ebudodzeni bavunule ngekufanana. Umfana nje ufaka lijotshana lakhe. Sekuncane ke lokho akwati lutho. Bese lelibhobhodlelana lona ngoba selicale kubhoboka phela. Kuba mfana lothola ukuthi mhlambe basuka la eminyakeni mhlambe ndawuthi ngesilumbi baye bathi teen stage. Ukhanze ukuthi ke labo bavunula lihiya linye ngaphansi babuyisa lijotshana labo. Bese labo lase bangetulu kweminyaka mhlambe lebekiwe leyatiwa ukuthi kusuka eminyakeni lelishumi nesiphohlongo sebadzala labo sebavunula ke kuye ngalokuthi lo mnumzane walapha ekhaya njengaleli jaha naleli jaha ndvodza yini lijaha ndvodza ngumuntu lethetha umfati uyise asekhona asaphila. Lokho lasekubona lapha ke bonkhosi sibona umjono. Umjono ngona usetshenziswa umnumzane walapha ekhaya nangabe kushathi ngwenyama imemetele butimba ukuthi emajaha fanele aphelele etimbeni. Uye umnumzane walapha ekhaya angene kulenzawo le adlele khona umfundi wetinkomo kuze kuthatha thola sibinzi phela. Leni adle lokho phela wendela ukuthi siyati butimba buye bendelwe ehlane. Baye bahambe botingela ehlane. Sona batingela le ehlane uyithola ukuthi ehlane siyati kunemabhubezi. Kufuna ukuthi le ndvodza ikwadi ukuma ibukane naleli bhubesi ilwe ilihlule iqhubeke iyobamba lenyamatane ngwenyama lethite ekufanele babuye nayo. Phela ngesiswati umfati awumthathi mahala ukhipha inkomo uhamba uyolobola le ekhabo lomfati kuze ukuthi umfati wakho lo ufuna ushaya inkomo njengoba nje bomake bababili lapha ekhaya kusho ukuthi le ndvodza khona kube indvodza lesuthako lenato naleti njilana. Ndawubekisa kento lesinye isikhathi uthi mhlambe uyale lapho uthanze khona leyo ndvombi uthole ukuthi likhalo lwaleyo ndvombi noma likhalo lemfati wakho lubita emashumi netinkomo letisihlanu ngitulu. Lokho ukuthi kufuna ube nato leto tinkomo. Lapha ke simcoka kithi thina eMaswati ngoba la ngekhathi kulesibaya setinjilane siye sithole umcuba bese usebenzisa kuvunzisa emasimini phindze sithole bulongo lesi sinza ngabo letindlu tethu lentibonako. Phindze futhi uma ngabe kushathi emajaha adosenga ayangena sengela ngekhathi kuze ukuthi sitawuthola libisi sente nemasi.
We are still on our media show right here on Buhle Betfu. I'm so excited about this one. We are here at Velvet Monkey, which is a new establishment, by the way. We just want to see what is it that they have, all the activities that they can show us. I'm sure you're excited as I am to see what is that. Let's go.
Chantal, we're at Buhle Monkey.
Rock on! So it is very fancy. I've been here Thursday, the first time ever. I really didn't know this place is existing because it is captured.
It's hidden.
It's
hidden
nested,
away.
it's snuggled. It's really, really a nice place. And I told my friend, let me go show you this place because it's really, really nice. Excellent, excellent, excellent service. Like top notch. You press a button, they come, you place an order. It's like really something I've never seen before. I love it.
We're still on the Eswatini media tour, and this is our last bus stop. We're here at Sibane Hotel, where we will be visiting the Tranquility Spa. Let's go see what they have for us.
It's a spa that's 2 weeks old now. Yes, owned by 3 sisters who are each using their talents basically to run it. Okay, the spa is actually mostly known for leisure, but it's also for health purposes. So basically what you would expect is if you're a person maybe that's here to assist yourself maybe with having fun or relaxing, you can come here and relax because we help remove like the stress, you know, like everything is good for you to relax, we remove knots. And then if you're coming for like health purposes, we help mostly people with arthritis, people with poor blood circulation. If you have varicose veins, you know, we assist you in that. It helps alleviate the pain basically. Okay, so far we offer full body massages and also half body treatments. So it's basically up to you if you'd like to do like maybe your back only, or you'd like to do everything, or just your legs. We also offer facials, we offer waxing treatments, we also do pedicures, spa manis and pedis basically, and full body scrubs and wraps.
has been a great day. It's been a day of experiencing all the wonders of Eswatini, visiting some magical places that we have in the country. Of course, we still have a packed program coming up. This was only day one, and tomorrow we do it again. I think the biggest takeaway from us today was just a reaffirmation of what we have been saying as Eswatini Tourism Authority for a long time, and that is hashtag Eswatini has more. And over the COVID-19 period, we have seen a lot of new establishments come into the country, be introduced, from eateries and accommodation spaces, and even the pre-existing ones have had some really impressive upgrades, and we've had an opportunity to see that. We went to Velvet Monkey, which is very, very new. I think it was opened about 2 weeks ago, and we went to Sibebe Resorts. It was opened a while ago, a couple of years back, but they've introduced some new tourism offerings such as the zip lining experience, as well as the cultural village. So it was very immersive, very exciting, and very, very inspiring, inspiring us to go out there and see more, explore more, and enjoy more of our beautiful country, the Kingdom of Eswatini. And of course the media, just to see them be very proactive throughout this tour, taking pictures, capturing all the moments, and also liaising with their team members in the newsrooms. It's been very, very immersive, and truly, truly we appreciate the media's coverage, and we appreciate all the establishments that opened their arms out for us and accommodated us on this day. So I learned a lot about Eswatini today, especially with the cultural village experience that we had at Sibebe Resort. Learning about our culture. There's a lot that I can quote, but I'll leave it to you at home to kind of go and experience it yourselves, because there's a lot that we maybe take for granted in our culture because of modern times and all the changes that we have experienced, but it's so beautiful to go back to our roots and to appreciate Eswatini for what it truly is. This is what our culture is, what makes us authentic, and just because we live in Eswatini doesn't mean that we shouldn't go out and experience cultural villages and the cultural tour of what makes us Eswatini, what makes the Maswati so special, so beautiful, so colorful. Okay, to enter the hashtag MyEswatini Top 10 Holiday Challenge, all you have to do is simply visit at least 3 tourist attractions in the country. And once you do that, spend at least 250 emalangeni or more, preferably more. And once you do that, when you get your receipt, write your name on the receipt, take a picture of the receipt, and then send the picture of the receipt to 78089000, which is the official Eswatini tourism number. And then of course, when you're there, take pictures with your loved ones, look happy, and then upload those pictures onto social media and tag Eswatini Tourism, be it on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. And the picture with the most likes wins. We will have a draw every Friday until the end of January.
We've had an amazing time today. This brings us to the end of our media tour, and we are here at the Tranquility Spa at Sibanisami Hotel. You guys, just get out of here. I'm about to get myself pampered. Bye.